Go.
Wait, is it starting?
Yeah, it's starting. Now we're putting on the Mentos. Oh, shoot. Coke to leak.
Rain.
Here we got the Coke.
One Mento.
Okay. All right,
Hold on.
Now let's just make sure this doesn't fail.
No. We got to back up. Guys, back up.
Yeah. Mom, can I hit it against the ground?
Yeah. But I got to put it in.
You got to put the Mentos in? Mom, are you going to put the Mentos in?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me do this part.
I'm scared of it. This is going to fail. We haven't done this in forever.
Hold it.
Take it onto the It's wet. It's wet. No. We're good. Mom, we're fine.
No, don't put it in.
Mom, it doesn't have to be attached.
It does have to be attached. No, because that's the whole point.
The lid is too wet. No tape. Roxy. Tape. Ah! Roxy's being aggressive today.
Can you draw?
I want to put on the camera. No, don't put on the camera. No, not the camera. I'm going to put it right here.
I need the lid.
Okay.
Did you dry it off? Yeah, they can't see it today.
Okay. We're submitting on the lid. The lid is the hardest part. Nobody has ever tried this mistake. True or fact? False. False.
I can't
Liar.
Can't get it to stick.
Wait, I have an idea.
I have an idea. No. How are we
We're
gonna
doing
get
a
it to
new
stick?
idea. Oh, I can do it. Alright, I got this.
Really?
Yeah, one job, Roxy. I expected you to got it.
No, the whole point is to don't pull it.
Don't.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it.
I'm not touching it.
The whole point is so that it doesn't.
And go.
Hold on. Let go.
That's the wrong way.
Oh boy. Okay.
Right in it. Wait, can I shake it?
Shake
Shake it.
So
Wait,
here's
shake it.
Hold on. Okay, shake it, but then you gotta throw it so that it lands. Okay.
On the cap.
On the cap.
No, wait.
Yeah,
No,
you
wait.
gotta- but don't throw it that way. No. Okay. No, and throw it away from the
I'm
camera.
trying to shake it.
Shake it really good.
Everything's okay. Ready, Brooksy?
I think this fan is almost ready. Oh,
Now where are you gonna throw it?
I want to put it that way.
No, this way.
That way.
Boom.
That way?
Yeah. Throw it really hard.
Okay. Ready?
I almost dropped it.
Ready? Set. Throw. This way, that much.
Oh, I found a Mento.
Great.
Right.
Ready? Set. Do it.
Oh my God.
Just do it on the sidewalk.
What?
No, not the one near the cars. The one far away the cars.
Too many cars, too many people.
Mom, this is not gonna work.
No.
Can I just open the
No.
lid?
No!
No.
Brooks!
Okay, ready?
No, I want to open the lid. I want to open the lid.
Brooksy,
Open it towards that way.
ready, set, open it! Ah! So! Ah!
I see my Diet Coke. Look at me. Oh my God.
Mission failure.
Need a napkin. It's in my mouth.
Tape. Tape. Brooksy's spitting out Diet Coke. Mom having Mentos. All the stuff. Mission failure.
Failure.
Alright. Time to clean up.
Failure.
Clean up.
A disaster.
Clean up starts now.